7 fun things to do when you're alone at home. Finally, the wait is over. Your parents are going out for a day or two and you are all alone at home. We can understand that many people don't know what to do when they are home alone. There's nothing to worry about. We will help you out. Spending time with ourselves is one of the best things in the world. With no one around, you can totally be yourself, laugh at yourself, play with yourself, and do all those funny things that you might never do when someone is around. Welcome to Life Hack Lion, the channel that roars the secrets of life. Make sure to watch this video until the end because we don't want you to miss a thing. And if you don't know us yet, we at Life Hack Lion are specialized in creating life hack ideas, tips and tricks, content that are fun and can absolutely make your life easier. However, you watching this video makes me pretty sure that you would already have gone through a lot of those things in your mind, but you couldn't find anything good to do when you're alone at home. Not all of us know the art of taking the maximum advantage of this time, so here we will share with you 7 fun things that you would love to do when you're at home alone. Number 1. Watch movies. Yes, we can understand how difficult it becomes to watch movies when your parents are at home. Not all parents are easygoing, so why not utilize this time by watching all those movies you were dying to watch for such a long time? Moreover, this hardly requires any effort. All you need is a laptop and a good internet connection. Some of free movie websites are on Crackle, Hulu, Vimeo, Linster, WallowTube, Movie 4K, Streaming Movies, etc. The other way to have fun is even more simpler. Just switch on the TV and watch your favorite shows or movies. Number 2. Enjoy your own concert. Most of us are poor bathroom singers. Alas, no one enjoys our singing. In some cases, the condition is so bad that our family members don't even allow us to sing even a single song when they are at home. Yes, if you can't relate to this, then you're not alone. But now, when you're alone at home, you are free to sing aloud your favorite playlist. Let the hidden talent come out of you. Dance or sing as much as you can. Who knows, maybe these few sessions of singing could give birth to the next Beyonce or Michael Jackson. Number 3. Call, text, or video message a friend. You were once addicted to your phone and now your parents have strictly said no to the usage of cell phones. But no need to worry much. Now's the best time to talk to your friend long wee hours at a time. Make plans for the meeting. Discuss the latest talk of the town. The time is even more crucial for the ones in a relationship. When can you get a better opportunity for doing a video chat with your better half? Number 4. Play video games. If you are a gaming freak to whom nothing seems more adventurous than playing Counter-Strike or Overwatch, then this is the time you will surely love. Being home alone is the best time to play video games. No one will be there to scold you for playing games for such a long time. You can also download the latest games from the web on your PC, laptop, Mac, or smartphone. You could also live your childhood dreams of exploring your brother's favorite collection of video games. Obviously, in his presence, you would never get a chance to do that. Number 5. Get your favorite celebrity look. This is indeed the best thing to do when nobody's at home. These stunning photos of yourself will surely rock your image. Getting the celeb look is something we all would like to experience at least once in our lives. So put on some makeup, wear fabulous clothes, accessorize a lot, and let your photo shoot reflect the fun you had. Count on us. Your friends are surely going to be jealous of your Rihanna or Madonna look. Number 6. Homework. Many of you might be the ones who love to study. Believe us, the alone time at home is the best time to finish off all the homeworks or pending assignments. With no one around, you can concentrate better and can even solve those hard and tedious math problems with much more ease. When your parents get back, surprise them with your sincere efforts. That can even get you some gift or tasty candies from them. And number 7, relax. We totally get it. If you are one of those who loves to sleep for hours, you do not care what is going around in the world, and you can't even tolerate some disturbing you while you are sleeping. All you want is a cozy blanket and a soft pillow, and then you are lost in the world of your beautiful dreams. Indeed, all of these sounds amusing, so you know what to do when your parents are out the next time. Though, a note of warning, be on the safe side and don't do anything dangerous. Do let us know if you have any other fantastic ideas. And also share your amazing home alone experiences with us by commenting in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Life Hack Lion and make sure to hit that notification bell icon to be the first to watch our newest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next roaring Life Hack Lion video.